Hey, my fire stars. Can you imagine? I am at day 6, down 85%, and I'm out for a walk for some fresh air. So I'm doing great. My skin is perfect. My tongue is still tacky. Hunger, I don't know how, why, and how I'm not hungry. So that was it for the locking of today. I'm doing great and I'm full of energy. Bye. Hello. Welcome to my last day of fasting. I have to show you people something. You see these cracked lips? Like, do you hear that? I tweeted this in the beginning of my fasting, but I'm filming with my phone, so the quality is not the best, but it has to be. And next thing, look, this tongue is scrubbed, scratched, everything, and it still looks like, and it tastes so bad. Yeah, so we are almost 6 hours to ending our week, of my week of fasting. And this t-shirt I am wearing, I have like 3 months ago or even 6 months ago, I couldn't fit in, but these lips are like cracking. I don't really know what to do. I have never had these cracked lips. And this has nothing to do with the winter because actually it's almost spring. According, it's the warmest winter ever. I'm lying in bed because I took some water not through my mouth, but you know what I'm saying. And I am surprised how long my body kept on holding on some, like, how the hell do I still have some toilet activities, like solid toilet activities? I haven't been eating for 7 days straight, and the 2 days before I was having soups. Where is this material coming from? What your body can do, nobody can tell you. That really made me sick, really. Like, it took a lot of um, energy away. Today I am feeling like I would have expected myself to feel on day 2 or 3, energy wise. Yes. I don't even know if I'm going to continue or if I'm going to break my fast today at 9 p.m. because that's when I stop eating at something like 35 minutes or 40 minutes after 8 p.m. So I just rounded up to 9 p.m. starting off my fasting. So I don't know if I'm going to break my fast or not. And I'm really thinking I don't want to destroy my ketosis with a fruit. I'm not even craving for a fruit right now. I'm still craving for something macadamia or something. So maybe I'm going to soak that in some water to make some kind of milk. Just start with the macadamia milk first and then we shall see. So food wise, I'm not hungry. And even those cravings, what I was craving, it was like, now it's like, so I'm really mm, kind of hesitant, should I continue or not, because I'm feeling good, really. Like, emptying your body food wise kind of keeps your body physically empty, and your mind then has to face this emptiness and fill it up with some thoughts. Like, you deal with yourself while fasting, you deal with your emotions, with your thoughts, with your plans, with your values in life, with everything. Like, I have been thinking. So one other reason why I don't want to go through the second week is actually fear, because I've heard the second week is the emotional week, and this dry lips is like, what is this real cracking? Maybe it's also cleansing, I don't know. Like, I did a peeling. And where is this coming from again? Anyways, we are taking it. And I think I can go 1 week again, or at least 4 more days. So I heard that the farthest you can go according to body fat is when you get to 5% body fat, but people and then you see my hand, I can wave with my love hand, it's like bye, and then we be like plop, 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 plop. So I'm far away from sorry, I am really far away from 5% fat. Like, I will say now I look normal, but I still have a long way to go. I will not go because this is my first fast, and 7 days are a lot. And ooh, look, I just peeled this from my skin, from my what the, what is this? I just peeled this. My skin is dying. Okay, um, from the things I saw, it's coming out. I am afraid to just peel and have some gross, yo. This is gross. Caught on camera. I didn't plan this. What? Is that possible? Oh, this is smooth. This is real. Anyways, but I was just like, oh, it's still coming up. Like, can I like have a seat, maybe in the bathroom with a pot full of hot boiling water, maybe some. I'm thinking of that is what I dream of this night. Really, I was thinking of citronelle. How is it called? Lemongrass. Yes, as a perfume, and then sit down there because there's something on Amazon for you just sit there and it has two pockets. Maybe I'll put a picture somewhere, and it is 85 euros. But I want a real sauna for this home at the point, and I'm thinking those 85 euros are like 15% of the price of the sauna. Why don't I keep that money? Because I won't be satisfied with that. I don't know that plastic like shaky. Anyways, I won't be satisfied with it. Why don't I just keep that money? At least I'm already 15% near my sauna, like good one where I can share with somebody, and it's there for the next whatever year. It's like an infrared sauna. So I remember back home when you had some fever, they used to cook a lot of things, put it in there, take some deep, really thick blankets and cover you and whatnot. But I have the blankets, but I don't want to wash them, so I'm going to try and do a sauna with and also obviously some salt. Yes. The last point of today is going to be this water. It is said somewhere, I didn't really read it because I call it high water. You don't have to drink more than 900 milligrams per day because it is so packed with electrolyte. So for a normal use, it is too good. And this has been helping me and my muscles and everything. Like the simple joys of life, they are just wonderful. Cleansing wise, obviously no pain. This is really why I just want to continue. Like if you've been watching one of two of my videos before, you would have noticed that at the point I used to do like I just had to, nothing would come down or something, but I had the feeling I had something here that I had to, nothing, but so I always I mean I just realized I realized it by when I was editing the videos. So it's gone. Okay. And then I had the it's not something which disturbs you at a point, but it is still almost like in my ear, both of my ears, and somewhere in my throat, like maybe it was mucus. I don't know. I have been taking care of myself. It is raining today. I don't think I will go for a walk as I did yesterday, just because I don't want to get that wetness. I'm not afraid of the weather. I just have to wear good clothes and I have everything, raining boots, but I just don't want to be wet. I just want to be comfortable. Like this is how I thought I would be feeling. So let me summarize this. Day 7, still going strong. Finally did the purge. My skin is doing well. I'm feeling good. It's something funny. I started this thing, but I wasn't sure I was going to make it through. But I just say, okay, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. And there's something in the process. The process is the way, let me say it like that. And here I am, day 7 done. I'm sure I'm going to be done. And I'm even thinking, should I continue or should I not continue? Like the benefits, the more you go, the more benefits you get. And and I also did some researches where the first days are really hard on your body, like changing from sugar fuel to fat fuel. Like these 3 days, it's like it is harder to start a fast than to quit a fast. And that's the thing. Like if I went through the 2 first days or 3 first days with every difficulty, and now it is only getting easier, why not take the most benefit you can take from it instead of just stopping and starting all over again, right? Does that make any sense? Anyways, let me know down below. I want to comment. Please give me your feedback. Yeah, and all the good stuff that you're supposed to do on YouTube. Comment, subscribe, share, what? Thumbs up. Like we all know how YouTube functions, so let's just stick to the content. So yeah, I'm happy I did this. I feel like this control I had on my body, or the control my body had on me, this experience just opened my mouth and blowed it out. If somebody is interested in wave and everything, I haven't weighed myself. I have to go to the food. Bye. Stay curious.